Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Oracle Apex, and today our topic is barcodes. As a standard functionality in Oracle Apex, we can use or we can generate QR codes, EAN8 and Code128, right? So I will be explaining in this video how you can generate QR code or other codes, and how you can save that as an image, or at runtime in your reports how you can get these codes, right? Let's proceed to the demo. Here is a sample page I have created just to demonstrate these barcodes. And if you see here on the top left, I have three codes: 128, EAN8, and QR code. These are by standard as a standard functionality available in Oracle Apex. And my Oracle Apex is latest one, 24.2, 0.8, or I don't know what is this current version here in Apex. Let me show you better to clear this confusion. It is zero point 0.8 or 0.9, 0.8, right? This is the version. So in this is functionality. Maybe in next version 25 or 26, I don't know. Maybe more functionality will be there. So this is a report, and you can see here is a barcode, and this is QR code, right? Now, if you want to increase the size, because let's say it's very small, right? It might be not readable. So you can increase, let's say, for example, up to 2 scale. It is 1 to 10. I just given few options, or you can type here and generate. Okay, now size is bit larger than the previous. Let me go with 5. And now you can scan. It will have comma delimited values, employee number, employee name, and job. Okay, so this is first type. And now let me show you EAN8, and same scale 5. Okay, this is scale 5. Now, and in EAN8 is since 8 numbers you can use, so it is showing employee number, and on the left side there's a LPAD, zeros, number of zeros, right? Like this. And this is not EAN13, by the way. Oracle is not providing as a standard functionality EAN13, right? Okay, Code128. Let us generate. I will show you where I'm generating, how I'm generating, but just let's have a quick demo. Okay, this is 5, and let me go to 2. Now in this report, these barcodes are images, PNG. So first I am saving, inserting, or updating in the table as a blob, and then I am getting this result, right? Okay, next is my page item, this one, simple page item. Here you can also display. I think assigned default value, but on your page you can use this QR code item type, and you will get the output. This one is SVG QR code. Same QR code which was there on the top, but in this is SVG. Now you might ask, what is SVG and what is this PNG? PNG is image that you need to, or you can store in your blob column, right? But this is for CLOB because on the back end it is having tags. Now I will show you how the tags are. This is SVG. You can go to w3schools.com and you can find details about the SVG, right? These codes are SVG format. It will have tags. These are the tags, right? These are tags. And these tags will generate the QR code. Okay, so this is one of my QR code. Just see, this is SVG. Just see, all like text. It's a text. So this is saved in CLOP, or even you can get runtime because you don't need to save it like here, right? Now I will show you SVG as well, and the code I have on the backend, right? This is my page. Let us open the page. In this page, I have on the top one list of value, select list. And in select list, I have added static value, 3 codes values, nothing else, because I will be using in the if condition. I will show you in a while. Second is a scale, right? This is 1 to 10. You can just give even text field. Now generate, I have added this button generate, and in the process, I have created one process because I'm using emp table, already values are there, and I've created one extra column. So for as a blob, and if you see here, I'm just saying if, right? Here we are just passing this one, NVL, and taking the value, then you can, I mean, up to you if it is NVL, what you want to do it over there. This is for QR code, and this is the function, right? apex underscore barcode dot get QR code PNG. Then this is for Code128. If you see here, this is right PNG, and this one is EAN8 PNG. Okay, simple. And then we are updating in the emp table as a loop. Let me show you these functions first. These are 6 functions of the package apex underscore barcode. You can generate PNG or SVG, right? PNG you will have to store in your blob column, while SVG you can runtime generate and display. Okay, so this code is there in the blog erpstuff.com. I will share the link. 11296 is the topic ID. And you can, by the way, visit here Oracle Apex section, and you can find a lot of things over there. Up to you. Or even you can, see Oracle EBS as well. It's very old portal of 2006. Just imagine, right? Okay, this is my emp table. In emp table, I have just added these 2 columns: QR code, blob, and Miami type. And then just I'm updating over here, nothing else. Okay, this is the code, and save. And when I'm submitting, it is updating that employee table. Another thing is, this is generation, right? PNG. Now, this is my page item. If you see, PNG, just a moment, this one, right? This is the same report which is there, right? And in this, if you see here, I have this QR code blob. I'm just calling it using this get length. You have to use this syntax, and I will share this SQL as well. Maybe you already know it. And then you have this code, and here you have to select display image. And when you will select display image here, you need to assign here table name and this column, blob column, primary key, emp number, and I have assigned memi type column. This is my column, the same emp table. That's it. Since I don't have file name, so nothing not required. Okay, so this is display image, or you can even use download blob. If you want to give download options, you can use this one, up to you. Right, and I don't think so any other settings there. Okay, so this is the report, and then I have this page item. If you see here, this is simple page item, QR code. From here you can select QR code, and in this I just entered default value, just erpstuff.com. Okay, if on your page you want to display any QR code, you can use this one. Let's say, for example, you have company URL, you can change that column to a QR code, or you have email address, something like that, you can do that one. Okay. Then I have this SVG QR code. The same package functions, but here it is SVG, right? Here I've used colors, and this there's no color. But when you will do this one in your report, what you need to do, you will have to click that column, scroll down in the properties, and escape special characters need to be off. So let me put it on and show you the difference. This one, see, this is SVG. If you take this value, sorry, Control C, and here, see, I'm just removing existing. This one, see, the QR code is there. Okay, let me see if we can do something here. Try it yourself. This is SVG, right? And run. See, so it is showing. Okay, just one more thing. If I will open this, this is the scale which I'm passing, the size of your barcode, and these are the accuracy levels. It will, have some more detailed. It has 4 options. And let me open one. Let's say QR code. It is in QR code PNG. This one. So you can put L, M, Q, H. So these are the percentages, and each column is explained. And the scale is up from 1 to 10. Okay. Here there are examples as well. You can use. This is color, background and foreground colors if you want. If there is no color, then default will be black and white. Black will be foreground, and background will be white. Okay. So by default, if you will add this function and it will return this SVG, it will show like this. So don't worry, just edit the page. Once again, I'm showing you, maybe there are newcomers who are just trying to learn Oracle Apex, so they should not be lost. Okay, this the same, edit. I will go to my column in which it is showing as an SVG text. Scroll down, come to the security. See, this is security. Escape special characters, make it off. Okay, save and run. Now it is showing colors because in my SQL here I have color, right? So if I will want to remove color, I will just do like this, okay, and run. Now both are same, right? And here it has a size, because in SVG it is giving you size. See here, not label. And I think now we can generate QR code with 2, I think is good enough. And again, so now I'm showing only 5 records, maybe in M table, but there are more records because I have restricted only to show 5. So all options are there. Now you can try, you can play with it. And I have another video on barcode types and details, which I will share the link as well. If you want to learn more about barcodes, you can play that video as well, right? Please share your feedback, and thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.